In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create and set up collections on your Shopify store. Let's get started right away. So you want to sign in to your Shopify store, of course, and then you'll end up on the home page, but you want to go to products, which is right here on the sidebar menu. So click on products, and then once you do that, you'll see this drop down menu with inventory, purchase orders, transfers, and right there you'll find collections. You want to click on collections, and then it's going to show you the current collections, that you already have. But chances are, if you're watching this video, you don't have any. So you'll be able to find the create collection button at the top right corner. You want to click on that, and you can then start setting up your collection. So let's say that I'm selling cycling glasses. You then put in the title of your product or your collection. So this will be a collection of cycling glasses. So you then put in the title that matches your products. Next up, you can put in a description, which is optional, but I definitely recommend doing that. Right there, you can then put in a description that matches your collection. So I can put in all cycling glasses you'll ever need or whatsoever. I don't recommend using this exact phrase. It's up to you how you want to put in your description. Now you can change the formatting. You can use bold text. You can use the italic, the underline. You can play around with all of these colors as well. You can add images. You can insert videos. You can do all of that if you want to. I don't do that usually. So next up, you can scroll down and you can choose the collection type. So you can choose manually or automated. So if you choose manual, you have to add products to this collection one by one. Now, that takes more time in my opinion. So I always use automated. The existing and future products that match the conditions you set will automatically be added to this collection. So let's say that right now you have 5 products that are about cycling glasses, but within 2 months from now, you're gonna add 5 more products. If you then choose automated, it's automatically gonna add these to the collection if you set these conditions. So right there, you can then put in conditions. If you do manual, you don't have to do that, but you would have to add the products, like the new products you add to your store, one by one to the collection, if that makes sense. So it's up to you guys what you want to do. So you can choose automated or manual. Like I just said, I just explained what that's about. If you choose automated, you would have to set the conditions right here. So product tags, product titles, product types, whatever it is that your product is about, or which kind of conditions you want to use. You can then do that right here. If you've added one and you want to add more, you simply click on add another condition, and you can add many conditions. So like I said, this is important if you're going to do automated. If you're going to do manual, you don't have to do that. And then next up, all you need to do is add an image for your collections. So choose collection image, and then you can choose an image. I'm just going to select this random image that I just downloaded from Pixabay, because this is not actually what I'm selling. Now, once you've added this, you can then save your collection. You can also use the collection availability, which is right here. So you can choose manage, and you can use that. You can also set a publication date. So let's say that you don't want the collection to go live as of right now, once you're making this, but within 2 months from now, 5 days, 1 day, 4 weeks, whatever, you then hit set publication date, and you then choose the date. Now I'm not going to do that, so I'm just going to hit save, and you'll see that it actually saves my collection. There you go, save collection, created cycling glasses. You can then view that on your online store, and you'll then find this. So there are no products in this collection, and that's because I didn't add any. Now in order to add products, you want to go back, scroll down, and right there you can find these. So you then put in your product, click on add, there you go, and if you then refresh this, it should then be right there. Now that's pretty much how you can add and set up a collection on your Shopify store. If this video helped you out, I would appreciate it if you can leave a like on the video. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of store you have. I would be interested in that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.